All right, y'all, I figured out a feature on the EGR bed cover that's really cool. I was rolling down the highway. I was like, you know what? My bed cover's open, as you can see. I was like, I wonder how I can close it. Well, I know if you push the key fob lock button 4 times that it closes, and if you unlock 4 times, it opens. So I said, hey, let me try this. So check this out. So I decided to just reach down here. We're gonna hit this lock 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, y'all, check that out. The bed cover is closing. So really cool feature about this bed cover is you can just hit the lock and unlock when you're rolling down the highway. You'll have to hit it 4 times and it will open and close. I'm gonna get out and just show you all this bed cover a little bit more. We'll go over a little bit more detail, but this EGR bed cover, y'all, it is bolted to the bed. It's not gonna get popped up. It's not gonna get pried up like other just clamp on bed covers. So let's get back there. Let's take a look at this thing. All right, so today, just like the title says, we're going to talk about why I picked the EGR RollTracs. Now, y'all know I do a lot of research on the stuff I purchase from my vehicles. This EGR RollTrac, y'all, is probably one of the best built bed covers I've ever purchased. And it's just because of the way it bolts to the bed and how sturdy it is. I mean, it is not flimsy at all in the center. It's reinforced. You can see how, I mean, that thing is barely flexing. Having the buttons right here on the edge, and then also having drains in all 4 corners right here. We got a drain here, drain there, and it's got 2 large drains in the front, okay? And the biggest thing about this bed cover I want to show you is if you look right here, it clamps to the bed rail just like the other ones do. But this is actually aluminum rails that are sent with it that clamp down, but then look where the bed utility group is right there. If you have the factory rails, but the holes are already drilled there for the bed utility group on these ram beds. And y'all, those things, this thing is bolted down. Nobody's gonna pry that up, and that's probably the best security you're ever gonna get with one of these. Now, because I installed this and I looked at everything when I did it, the other thing that's really neat about this that a lot of people don't even talk about is the canister itself is just the bed cover with the canister. All of your electronics and your motor are right there in that box in the front corner. So it's a little motor with a worm gear. So if the motor goes out, all I gotta do is unscrew that right there. You can replace the motor. And then you've also got the release up there to put it in manual mode. If for some reason it fails, you can push that, do that, okay? Now, I also like that this isn't wireless technology back to the cab. There's no programming, there's nothing required. It just ties into the factory harness. And y'all, you know, a couple clicks on the remote will open and close it. Then also, when it's unlocked, these buttons are available. If the truck is locked, these buttons are disabled, so they do not work. So you can see I've unlocked the truck. And just like I showed you all at the beginning of the video, the other thing is you know, if you don't have your remote, if it's in the truck somewhere, and you need to open the bed cover, let's say you're at the lumber store or something like that. So the nice thing is you just come right here, you hit this unlock button 4 times, and your bed cover is gonna open. About the simple, most secure, best quality build bed cover. I'm not affiliated with EGR. I don't make a commission with EGR. I'm just putting a link to their website below, but this product is what I will run on my trucks moving forward 100%, no questions. So if you got any questions below, go ahead and ask them. Guys, this is it right here. I'll drop the website down in the link. I'll drop the website down in the description. If you got any questions, just drop them in there. And guys, appreciate you watching the video like always. Please hit that like, please subscribe. I'm really trying to get to that 100K subscribers. Y'all can see my count's going up. So if you don't mind pushing that button for me, I sure appreciate it. I'll keep the content coming. Thanks again.